Well, lovely parts. Store just love to give the wrong parts. It's not a deep pan with the knobs on the bottom. For the Astro 2001, it's the metal bottom, no nubs. Deep pan's aftermarket apparently. Fucking whatever. Anyways, getting the tranny done. Service, I got the new radiator. Got this done. New radiator's in. Did the belt. Getting ready for the trip. Get ready for hauling, doing services and whatnot. So one bite at a time, I guess. To be continued. Summertime needs to like actually be here. I was gonna say, just for details for people who are doing the same thing here, for the radiator. Well, be mindful of those clips. They're kind of a sumbitch, but you're gonna have to use your old adapters mainly, or most likely. And they go into the ones that come with the radiator. But you gotta take your mass air and the air filter box and the shroud off here. And then, yeah, belt didn't take too long, and then we got that done in about half a day. The radiator's in. And then, as far as the transmission, besides, make sure it's not a deep pan, it's a metal bottom. It's the 2001 Astro, by the way, all-wheel drive. And then, the parts store guys will get you. So, just remember that. And then again, man, whatever. Anyways, I got some roof treatment done too today. Roof treatment, rain will help. Anyways, here it comes. So wait for the rain to let up and get after it. Thanks.